Guy said, get a bike and go in the woods. Here I am, Lord. In Salem, hunting for witches. Nah, I'm playing. Looking for angels, surrounded by witches. Oh, boy. It's beautiful. It's peaceful. I'm a little better. I'm going to run some boots. Look at that. Look. There's a creek. Sasquatch pop out through the back. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Thank you, God. That shit's steep. That shit's steep right over there. Let me turn that bitch around. This way and way. That was fun.